Hey guys, in this video we will be breaking down the idea which was given in advance in my Discord channel, and as usual it consists of Ichimoku, technical analysis, momentum oscillator and money flow. So let's reconstruct this trade and see how it played out. Alright, as usual we're starting from higher time frames. Now we are on weekly and we are looking at Ichimoku, and we can clearly see that we are in bullish uptrend. We have bullish TK cross and big Kumo. So let's go to lower time frames. We see the same on lower time frames on 2 days and on 1 day. Now we have confluence among higher time frames as weekly and lower time frames as daily, both of them indicating bullish trend. So let's now go to technicals. Okay, we have weekly level here. We have also weekly level here, but it was stopped already. We have weekly level here. Also, we have weekly level here. So that's it with weekly. Let's go to daily. What do we have on daily time frames? We have daily level here, was just stopped. Okay, so what's next? We're pulling our FIP. And what do we have? We have golden pocket. Okay, so yes, we have golden pocket right here, which also in the same area as Kijun here on Ichimoku. At this moment, this is our main confluence, which we are building our trade off. So golden pocket plus Kijun daily plus daily level. So at this moment we have 3 confluences at this area of interest. Let's also check anchored VWAP. Let's check it from our low. Nope. From here, almost there. So we can clearly see that anchored VWAP almost acts as support here, and we are actually nearby. So we can also add anchored VWAP. It's our false confluence. What's next? Let's check our pivot point. Not really. Do we have monthly here? Yes, but yeah, kind of. We can also check this range and add this naked point of control. Okay. So okay, for now we have 4 confluences in our area: golden pocket, Kijun daily level and anchored VWAP. Also we have naked point of control of this previous range, which is also nearby, so we can also add it here. Alright, now so let's check momentum oscillator and let's see what we have to execute our trade. So when I trade Kijun on a daily level, I generally want to see MFI on higher time frames being in red. So if it's long, I want to see MFI in green on daily time frames, on 12-hour time frames, on 4-hour time frame, and on 1-hour time frame. I want to see what's called basic strategy, when momentum oscillator starts diverging and money is starting to come in. So yeah, like this, and like this. Okay, I would take this level as a TP1, and then as we do not have like clear resistance here on Ichimoku, I would let it run. So okay, let's see what happens. Alright, we can clearly see our trade played out pretty well. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you in the next one.